Pakita muna natin ang ating mukha. And so, good evening, Sir Marvin. I am James Raven Bulalayaw.
And I'm Angelica Castillo.
And we're going to present our UAD presentation. It's all about e-commerce. And it shows here that it's a clothing line. So let's start here at the login page. So sir, this isn't finished. I mean, this is a unfinished presentation. So here we're going to play it.
And here, sir, sa may login, naglagay po kami ng email and the password.
So
And login now. Then,
ito po sir, wala pa pong function tong mga to sir. As you can see po, wala pa po siyang functions. Wala pa po nalagay na prototype. So yung sa sign up and login pa lang po, which is very important on this e-commerce e-commerce clothing line.
I,
So babalik na lang po ulit sa sa sign up and sign up.
and, and here the sign up. Then naglagay po kami ng name, email, and the passwords. And sign in. Sign up.
Then, yan, ulit.
And
So, ayan. So, sir, if you're questioning about the color, ito po siya, lahat-lahat. The color combination seems nice naman po. Ayan po. So, ito po, wala pa pong function lahat ng mga nandito kahit din po sa baba. Ayan po. So, ayan lang po, sir. Thank you for watching, sir. And good night.
here.